Hey guys, and welcome back. Today in this video, what we're going to be doing is going over how to link SellerAmp to Arbisource. A lot of you people out there have been messaging me, especially in my DMs, so I thought it'd be a really good video for you guys to watch and then import this into your own business so then you could activate reverse searches on SellerAmp. So let's get to the video. What we're looking for in this video is to allow you access to get this Arbisource reverse search. As you can see here, it goes through the online retailers, sees what price we could be buying this product for. I don't recommend purchasing this product. As you can see up here, the brand has been previously on the listing, so you don't want to be getting an IP from them. But I was just using this one as an example. You could buy this for £22.50 and we can be selling it for $44.75. But how we actually get this feature on our SellerAmp is you must have a active Arbisource subscription. If you don't have one, there is a 14-day free trial. I'll drop it in the description below. And what you do is you go to SellerAmp and press the cog just here like this. This brings up our settings on SellerAmp. We could go to SAS panels and we could go down to Arbisource reverse search and configure. As you can see, this is bringing up a screen where we'd have to add our Arbisource integration. Here we have got the Arbisource token, which you have to get off Arbisource itself. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. If we go to Arbisource, what we need to be doing is on this left hand side, going down to the My Account, pressing that. You want to get to the API keys, which is on the left hand side. This is a demo account, so that's why the subscription status is expired. And here you go. We have got the SellerAmp integration here. What you do is copy this link, so by pressing this button here, which says copied. Now you'd go and put that into SellerAmp and then save these settings. If your SellerAmp then is not showing the reverse search, what you'd have to do is come to the settings, go onto the SAS panels, and also you need to turn that on. You can bring the reverse search up to the top if you wanted to, so it's the first thing you look at, but mine, I have it around here, and that's where I'm just comfortable having it as I'm doing my research and I'm looking at the buy box analysis. I always do that final reverse search. I know this one was a nice short and sweet video, makes up for the other day where we looked at this video up here and it was a little bit long, but we was looking at the advanced templates on SellerAmp. I hope this video did make sense and it really helps you get that integration between Arbisource reverse search and SellerAmp. It's something which I use on a day-to-day basis, and it is something which you guys need to be utilizing as well. It is giving you that advantage of being more competitively priced. So I hope you like this video and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers!